Hello friends, this week I'm going to read you the story Freight Train by Donald Cruz, published by Green Willow Books. So I'm going to open the front cover and the back cover of the book so you can see the whole train. Look at all those colors. Look at the steam coming off the train. Let's see where this train is headed to. A train runs across this track. See, look at the track. Red caboose in the back, orange tank car next, yellow hopper car. Green cattle car, blue gondola car, purple box car. A black tender and a black steam engine. Do you know what's inside a tender? The tender holds the coal for the train so it can move. Look at the steam coming out of that engine. Freight train. Do you see any people on the train? I wonder why. Well, a freight train doesn't hold any people. It holds things to be delivered, like food or cattle, animals, oils. That's what this type of train, a freight train, it delivers things. Moving. Look at the colors. Why are the colors like this? Is the train moving fast or slow? Yes, it's moving fast. Going through tunnels. See, the train's going through a tunnel and coming back out. Going by cities. See a city in the background? Is the train going fast or is it going slow? Yes, it's going fast. Crossing trestles. Trestles are these pieces of wood similar to a bridge where they build so the train can go across, since the mountain is going down and up and the train cannot go that way. Moving in darkness. Ooh, look at how dark it is. Can you still see those colors? Yeah. Moving in daylight. Going, and gone. Where did the train go? The end. Thank you very much. See you next time.